Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another investing $1 in Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 500. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to buy Bitcoin every day for this experiment. If you're interested in using Cash App, you can sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. Let's hop to the investing section by tapping the squiggly line in the tab bar. They have stocks and Bitcoin, so we want to be on the Bitcoin section. We can see Bitcoin is currently at $9,375, down about 0.5% today. Same thing for the weekly, so going sideways pretty much, down about 2.5% on the month, sideways still, and 4% on the year, so definitely a sideways trend. If we go to all time, we can see that we had this huge run up in 2017. And ever since 2018, we've kind of been consolidating. Now, I believe I started this experiment in this zone somewhere. So I was buying pretty cheap Bitcoin at the beginning of the experiment, and I bought all through this whole time period. Initially, I was actually doing $1 per day. Lately, I've been doing $7 purchases every Friday, so it kind of averages out and it's easier that way. But let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. We'll tap buy, tap the three dots, type in $7, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details, still a 3% fee on these buys. So it kind of sucks, but you got to do what you got to do. Tap confirm. Just like that, I've added some more Bitcoin to my Cash App Bitcoin balance. So if we scroll down here, we can see Bitcoin owned at the top, 0.0679, so moving closer and closer to 0.1 Bitcoin. I now have $637.23 in here, so let's go ahead and do the math on that. 637.23 divided by 500 days equals a 1.27x on my investment. People always ask, how much have you profited or whatever? You can just look at the dollar amount at the top. I've put in $500, I now have 637, so that's $137 profit. I don't think of it that way. This is an investment for me. I'm holding this long term. I'm looking for Bitcoin to go to over $100,000 per Bitcoin, over $1 million per Bitcoin long term. This is a super low supply asset. Only 21 million Bitcoins ever. That's the maximum supply. You know, there's a lot more than 21 million people on the planet. This is one of the original internet assets, the first of blockchain. It also has some utility, so that's where my head's at. I'm not selling any cheap at these prices right now. Bitcoin's still a very new asset. It's only been around 10 years or so. We've seen stock markets and gold and stuff like that. They've been around forever. So you can kind of look at the history for the stock market and get a feel for what could happen with Bitcoin over a long period of time. But that's it. That's what happened investing $1 in Bitcoin for 500 days in a row. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might wear